Welcome to a new Tabletop Creator changelog showcase video. Here I will show you some of the new features and changes of the new version of Tabletop Creator. If you want to learn all of the changes, improvements and fixes, please check out the changelog in the website. The first thing you will see are these new buttons in the start screen. They allow you to open the project folder or to remove that project from the recent opened project list. The Data Import and Export menu has been moved to the top navbar so they are accessible for anywhere in the project. There is a new UI hint in the set that tells you the shortcut to zoom in and out the item previews. Most of the news and changes in this version are located in the export screen. First, the additional settings section has been split into a new filter settings. This new section contains all the settings that are related to filter what is being exported. All the export file names format settings now supports the / character to create custom subfolders. Hence, all the settings related to create subfolders were removed. You can see here an example when exporting images where subfolders are being created. There is a new override bleeding export setting. Export image and PDF items will now use their blueprint bleeding values, unless this new override bleeding setting is enabled. And finally, the Tabletop Simulator export section has been renamed to Grid Sheet Images, since now it is compatible with more third-party software, for example, Tabletop Playground. That's because the limits of rows and columns of the grid have been increased. There is a new export property inside this section named Tabletop Simulator that will clamp the grid size to the max supported grid size in Tabletop Simulator. And that's all for this video. There is a lot of additional improvements and fixes. Remember to check out them in the changelog of the website. Bye and happy creating!